Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Von Duprin number 050401 989927 bottom latch. This is a bottom latch only for the 98 or 9927 series surface vertical rod exit devices. This is what the latch looks like. Your bottom rod kit is going to thread right into not really able to provide too good of a picture of it, but right into that threaded portion right at the tip of my finger. Okay, this is going to be the replacement latch for that. There is an image down below that shows this item in a generic parts drawing overview. However, there's a much better parts drawing available in the link below this video to the document that's titled 9899 Series Manual, actually titled 989927 Series Manual. And when we open that up, what I like to do is to search that document for the part number 0504-01, and it will come up in one instance of that part number, and that is part number 2 in the exploded drawing that's there. Part number 2 is an assembly of some subcomponents. Part number 2 is going to give you part number the bill of materials will be part number 7, which are the fasteners that are included in the package. Okay. They will also be part number 11, which are the rivets that hold the mechanism on. I would not have guessed you could have bought those separately. Okay, when you find that in the parts manual, you can take a look at parts 7 and 11. 7 is the latch mounting package of 4, so there's 4 fasteners that are included in there. And then part number 11, they call the housing guide pin. Those are sold only in a package of 10. Don't believe I've ever sold the guide pins ever at all. That does not appear to be serviceable without drilling it out and then peening it over. I never sold that part number 11, but the latch all the time. A couple of not all the time, but a couple of basic dimensions for you. Overall height of the case is about 4 5/16. Overall width of the case about 1 inch. Overall projection up here at the top, or the width, is about 1 3/8. Down here at the bottom, about 1 7/8 or so. Okay, it's got that guarded Pullman latch that's down there, and that is in the lock position. It is not going to be retracted. And that parts manual that's there is a very handy way by which to determine other serviceable parts that you might need with the unit itself. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Von Duprin products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Von Duprin 050401, bottom latch only for the 98 or 9927 series surface vertical rod exit device, or any other Von Duprin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.